Hello everyone, today we are going to continue our division lessons. Today we are going to learn how to divide by a two-digit number using multiples of the divisor method or estimation method. By solving this example using both methods. Method 1, to divide 535 divided by 73 using multiples method. First, we need to check in the dividend how many digits we should take in the number 535. We noted that 5 is less than 73, 53 is also less than 73, so of course I take all the number here 535. A three-digit number is for sure greater than a two-digit number. And to find the quotient, on a scratch paper I need to write the multiples of 73. Starting with 0. So the multiples of 73 are 0, 73. I keep on adding 73 plus 73 is 146. I keep on adding the multiples of 73 until I reach or I find a multiple of 73 that is either equal or just before 535. An example here, when I reach 538, I add 73 on a scratch paper and I find the next multiple. 8 plus 3, 11, I carry 1. 7 plus 3 plus 1, 11, I carry 1. I will obtain 511. And to make sure that we don't have a multiple of 73 after 511 that is less than 535, I add 73 one more time, but here it's obvious that I will obtain a multiple of 73 that is greater than 535. So 535 is between 511 and 584. So of course I need to take the multiple of 73 that is just before 535, not way before. So now I write below 535 511. Now I need to find the quotient. Above the multiples I must write how many groups of 73 can I make. So with 0 students, for example, I can make 0 groups of 73. One group I can make with 73, one group of 73, 2 times 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With 511 students, I can make 7 groups of 73. So in the quotient, I write 7. Now I find the remainder. So don't forget to write the quotient before finding the remainder. 5 minus 3, 4, 3 minus 1, 2, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So my remainder 24 is less than the divisor 73. And here I used all the digits. There's no more digits to slide, so my division has ended. And the answer is 7, remainder 24. So now we are going to continue. We will perform the same division, same example, 535 divided by 73, but this time using estimation method. Estimating is, in fact, trying to guess mentally how many groups of 73 we can make with 535. But of course, we don't know, though we didn't memorize the multiplication table of 73. That's why we are going to learn in such example when we have a two-digit divisor how to estimate a quotient. So first step is as we did here. We check the digits from left to right. 5 is less than 73. 53 is also less than 73. As we did before, here we must take all the number 535 and we must try to guess how many groups of 73 we can make with 535. And in order to do so, in the divisor, we hide the ones digit. 3 is the ones digit, we hide it. And in the dividend, since we took all the number, we hide the ones digit and the number that we took. And in 535, 5 is the ones digit. We also hide it. Now we divide 53, the remaining number is 53, by the remaining number that is 7. 53 divided by 7, we can guess how many groups of 7 we can make with 53 easily, because we know the multiplication table of 7. So 53 is not a multiple of 7. Just before 53 we have 49. And 7 times, what is 49? 7 times 7. So we estimate that the quotient might be 7. It can be 7, but we don't write 7 right away, no. On a scratch paper, we need to verify, we need to check if we can make with 535 7 groups of 73. And in order to verify, on my scratch paper, we multiply 73 by the estimated quotient. So we multiply the divisor 73 by the estimated quotient, by the quotient that we guessed here, by 7. 7 times 3 is 21, 1, and I carry 2. 7 times 7 is 49, 49 plus 2 is 51. It's 511. So here, when I multiplied 73 by 7, I obtained 511, which makes sense here. 511 is less than 535. So yes, my answer is correct. I found the correct multiple. It's 511. I write here 511, and above I write the quotient. So here, if you noticed, from my first guess, I found the correct answer. But in case, if I multiply 73 by 7 and the number obtained is greater than 535, of course, in this case, my estimation is wrong. So I need to take a lesser quotient. So instead of 7, I try the 6 in this case. But here, from the first time, my estimation is correct. And I found the quotient much faster. So now let's subtract and find the remainder. 5 minus 1 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 5 minus 5 is 0. It's the same answer, but here we used different method. And here my remainder 24 is less than the divisor, so my answer is correct. It's 7 remainder 24. Since we don't have any more digits to slide, so my division has ended, and the quotient is a 1-digit number. If you notice here, when I use the estimation method, it's much faster. When I use the multiples method, sometimes it will take me a lot of time until I reach the correct multiple. In case you don't know your multiplication table very well, maybe you won't be comfortable using the estimation method. In this case, you use the multiples method, although it will take you a lot of time sometimes. But if you know your multiplication table very well, estimation method is recommended, of course.